Hello everyone, I'm with Richard. He is a U.S. Army veteran. I'm a U.S. Navy veteran. Richard's been coming by for years, and I just want to give him the floor about his testimony about how Zen's Tea House has helped him.
Look, I used to get sick once or twice a month. I work at Loma VA Hospital, drinking coffee, you know that caffeine that we like in the morning. Well, it was putting me in the hospital. I came down here and talked to these people, and they let me know that stop drinking the coffee, get on tea. Hawaiian fruit, look, let me tell you, it's also called fruit medley. I haven't been sick. I have knee problems. 95% of the cartilage in my knees is gone. It's a clay that's called bentonite clay. They're saying that it might work. I don't wear knee braces anymore. So trust me, come see these people. If you're really looking for good health and people that you can truly trust, I recommend them to anybody in the world. I'm 60 and I don't go to the doctor no more.
All right, Richard, thank you.
Yes, sir.